Look!
I just did it! I just did it! And at my warm body heat, yellow! Hi guys! Today I'm going to be reviewing some slime, so I'm going to start with this one. So it says it changes colour, and it says pull out and unwrap the putty, squeeze it, pull it, squish it. Wow, look at it change colour. Don't forget to keep your tin, take it with you. So we just bought these now. Yeah. Oh, it's in a bag. How unusual. Put the slime in the bag. Dad, can you be a little more quiet?
Alright.
It's okay, I guess. Oh, this is making me feel uncomfortable. It does not feel nice. Dad cut this bit out and it is these. Bless me. So guys, I can't see it changing colour so far. Oh, it's changing colour to a yellow. Guys, it is changing colour. It's changing colour to a yellow. From red to yellow.
Off your body heat.
I think so. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's changing colour. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. Dad, zoom in. Zoom in.
Can't.
Look, it is changing to yellow. I'll see you when I've done making it full yellow. Pause it. Pause it. Yeah, just pause it. Pause it so I can show them. Guys, that is yellow. That is a yellow slime. How? How? From dark red to light yellow. It's a bit orangey though. But wow, what? Look at it. How? 1 minute. That is a piece of yellow right there. Yellow. Oh my god, oh my. I have to tell you, I have to give it to you. This is a 10 out of 10 slime. So, that yellow / red slime was amazing. I love it, but why is it pink and purple? Why? I want to know what this glow in the dark one looks like as well. So let's open up the glow in the dark. Oh, it's that yellow colour. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like though. Is it worth it? Is it worth £2? There we go. Daddy, these slimes are a bit hard, aren't they?
Are they?
Yeah, they're hard.
Which one's that one? That one's glow in the dark.
Yeah.
You need it to be night time for that one.
No, I can do it in my hands. Ready? Whoa! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! 1 minute. I'm gonna make a crack through my fingers. Look at it! It's not glowing in the dark.
You have to hold it to the light for a bit and then do it. So you have to expose it to daylight, like really bright light, or turn the light on.
Turn the light on.
No, I won't do it now. It's too daylight. But maybe do a night shoot.
Okay.
See if it glows in the dark.
Look at them. Look, they're almost the same colour. This used to be like a red. Look.
Yeah, you don't want to mix them together. Because that one won't glow anymore and then that one won't change colour anymore.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a tiny bit of each one to see what happens. It's going to do it, it's going to do it. It's going to be an awesome slime.
Oh, what slime?
Awesome. Why? It's a yellowy colour. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Yeah, it glows in the dark. And you need to make it cold to make it go back to red.
Put it in the fridge.
Put it in the fridge, I guess. Okay, 5 more seconds. So there's a slime that has some activator. Something, so I might just rub a bit on my hands and then just. Oh, it's changing back to red, Dad. And the metal, look at that.
Cool.
The metal must be cold and it's changed. Look, it glows in the dark and it changes colour now. Also, I've got an idea. I've an amazing idea actually. So you guys can see it changing colour. Daddy, bring it to the camera.
It's too.
Look, I just did it. I just did it. And at my warm body heat, yellow. Look, look.
You just keep it near your face, they can see.
No, look. Watching. You watching? Is it red?
It's going red.
Yeah, it's going red. Look.
Yeah.
Awesome! That one's turning back to red. That one's turning back to red. It's red, 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 red. Put it back in. Put it back in. Look. Put it on metal. Watch it change colour. What did I tell you? Awesome. Daddy, it's a bit hard. How are you going to make it stretchier?
Maybe keep kneading it.
Guys, this is really good slime. So's this one. I'm going to have to do a night shoot. So we'll see you at night time. I'm having a break.
What are you having?
Stop making me talk. I'm having a vegan patty. Is that what it's called?
Pasta.
Pasty.
No steak bake. Is it nice?
I'm not vegan though.
Is it nice?
Yeah, just letting them know I'm not vegan. My dad is though.
Bye.